Alright? Now all of you look at the board. Don't talk, right? Now I told you already, there's a vertical line with an arrowhead on top, and there's a horizontal line with an arrowhead to the right. Understand? This is called the x-axis and this is called the y-axis. And together, okay, so they are called x-axis and y-axis. Axis is singular. So when we have plural, what do we call it? Axis. We told you, right? Okay, now we start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay? Now, for a point that is denoted on the graph paper or this grid, for example, this point A, alright? Point A is actually 1, 2. You always put the x value first, then the y value. This is called the x coordinate of A. This is called the y coordinate of A. And the whole thing is called the coordinates of A. Everybody clear? Okay, now, what if I have a point B here? What should it be? What will be the coordinates? Negative 3 and 1. Everybody clear? Okay. What if I have a point? Just a minute, I'll draw it properly. What if I have a point that is halfway here and it's here? What will be the coordinates of C? 2.5 and 1. Is that understood? So it's always the x value, then the y value. Okay. Then what about this point D? Negative 3, negative 2. Remember that the x coordinate and the y coordinate is separated by a comma. Understand? Alright, how about this point then? E. 1, negative 3. Now, can you see that negative 3 and 1 represents B, right? 1 and negative 3 represents E, right? Okay, now I just want to know this thing. 1, 2 is A, right? Will 2, 1 and 1, 2 represent the same point? No. Okay, what is 2, 1? 2, 1 is actually here. Can see it? Okay, so what does it mean? The ordering is important. That's why coordinates are also called what? Order pairs. That means the order is important. Okay? Then the other day I also went through something. What is the coordinate of the point 0? Or O? What's the coordinate of this point? 0, 0, right? And for 0, 0, they have a special name. What is it called? The origin. Okay? It is called the origin. Are we okay? Alright, now next I'm going to indicate one more point. May I know what is the coordinate of F? Okay, I know the answer. 4 and 0, right? It must be the x then the y. Now, how about this point G? 0 then negative 2. You must know. You cannot say I don't know how to say, I don't know how to say. Always remember what first? X first, then y. Then that will be the coordinates. Are we clear? Okay? Alright, good. Now, if you look at page 144, okay, the top part will explain to you. Can you see it now? All the coordinates, so on and so forth. Okay? And this whole thing here, the whole thing, the coordinate system, is actually called the Cartesian plane system. If you look at the first line on page 144, can you see they highlight the word Cartesian? Can you see it now? It's called a Cartesian plane. That means you can put it on the coordinate system. Now, next, I want you to go down to the green box at page 144. Now, we call x the x coordinate of P and y the y coordinate of P. That is the coordinates of P is indicated by x, y. Are you clear? First number is x coordinate, second number is y coordinate. The whole thing will be called coordinates. Everybody okay so far? Okay, now next, I'm going on to the next concept that is called functions. Okay, what do you mean by functions? Alright? Let me just indicate to you first. Okay, now for example, I have a certain box down here. Okay, this is like a machine like that. Now, if I input 1, 3 will come out. There is something is done in the machine, right? If I input 2, 4 will come out. Okay? I give you another one. If I input 3, 5 will come out. What do you think the machine does? Whatever goes in, I add what? I add 2, right? Do you all agree? Now, if this is my x, right? The answer is y, right? Do you agree that y must be x plus 2? Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? This is called the input. I put in x. The thing that comes out is x plus 2, right? And we call it y. Okay? This is called a function. That means what it does to my x after processing part, the answer come out. Understand? So this is called a function. Okay. Now let me just tell you the function again. A new function now. If I put in 3, the function is this. What will come out? Y will be what? 3 times what? 3 plus 1. What will come out? What's his answer? 10. That means 10 will come out. Do you understand? So, this particular formula here will be called the function. Everybody clear? Okay, so it's something that we do to the input, then we come out with the output. Okay? Alright, good. So, let's take a look at function. The investigation, the function machine, you just go and read because it's the same thing as what I said. Is that clear? Okay? Now, then, can you all look at page 148? Page 148. Okay? They describe to you what is a function. A function is a relationship between two variables x and y, such that every specified input x produces exactly one output y. The input x and output y of a function can be written as an ordered pair xy. Understand? Just like our x coordinate, our y coordinate. Okay? Now, a function can be represented using words, an equation, a table of values, and a graph. Okay? And a graph. Alright, now, I want all of you to take out your notebook first and return to page 150. All of you take out the notebook and return to page 150. Notebook and return to page 150 of the textbook. Let's look at question 3. Exercise 16. Okay? A function is given by this. Okay? The question says find the value of y when x is 3 and when x is negative 2. What does it mean? I want to take down this in the notebook. Take this line down first. Take y equals to 4x plus 5. This is a function, right? And what is my x in part 1? What is my x in part 1? 3. So, when x is 3, y will be 4, 3 plus 5, right? What's this answer? 4 times 3 is what? 12. 12 plus 5 is what? 17. Understand? That means if you put into this machine, if you put 3 in, what number will fly out? 17 will fly out. Understand? What if I put in negative 2? It should be negative 8 plus 5, right? What is negative 8 plus 5? Negative 3. So that's how you calculate what will fly out of the machine. Do you understand? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay. Now, can you look at question number 4? Question number 4 says, the equation of a function is y equals to 25 minus 3x. Find the value of x when y is 34, when y is negative 5. Now, can you tell me what's the difference between question 3 and question 4? This one give you what? X, and this is what you put in, right? What about this one? They give you y. That means they give you what? What is coming out, right? Then you got to find out what went in. Correct? Now, this is like solving equation in our chapter 5. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, all look up. When y is 34, I have this. 34 equals to 25 minus 3x, right? I start in, correct? Minus 3x come over become what? Plus 3x, okay? 3x will be 25 minus 34, alright? So, 3x will be, what is 25 minus 34? Huh? Minus 9x. Correct. So how do I get x? Minus 9 over 3. Answer? Negative 3, right? Okay. Now, then I have a question to ask you. Must the number that go in be an integer? Must it be a whole number? No need. I can put in 0.5, 0.2 or whatever. Also can. Okay? Now, I want you to do this for me. Negative 5 equals to 25 minus 3x. Can you solve for me? What is your x? Use the same method. Okay? Now, same way of doing, right? What do I do? This should be 3x, right? Equals to 25 what? Plus what? 5. So, 3x equals to what? 30. What's your x? 30 over 3. Answer? 10. Can you see that? Can you see what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, good. Now, next. I want to continue in your notebook. Question number 8. A part 1. When x is minus 3, find y. When x is 1.5, find y. You can use your calculator to help you. Do you understand? Use your calculator to help you. Okay, this one, I give you 3 minutes. 8A part 1 part 2. Do it now. You can just use your calculator, okay? Just key in your calculator and you'll be able to get the answer. Use your calculator, alright? Negative what? Negative what? 1? No, wrong. 1? Negative what? Negative 3.
Negative 1 and 2/3.
1 and 2/3, right? Negative 5 over 3 also can. Okay? Now what about this one then?
1 and 1/3.
1 and 1/3. Do you get the answer? Negative 1 2/3 and 1 and 1/3. Are we okay? Alright, now next, let's look at part B. Okay? Find the value of x when y is what? 1. The question says when y is 1. That means I have this. Y equals to 2/3 x plus 1/3. Now y is 1. I will sub in like that, right? Alright. Now, can you see that I'm solving an equation? Can you see I'm solving an equation? Yes or no? Yes. Now, I'm going to shift place. Is it okay if I write like that? I swap position. Is it okay? Yes, good. 2/3 x stays here. This will be 1 minus 1/3, right? So, 2/3 x equals to 2/3, right? Yes or no? So, x will be 2/3 divided by 2/3, correct? Because this is our times. Times will become divide. So, do you agree x is a 1? Can you see x is a 1? 2/3 divided by 2/3 is 1, right? Okay, then I want to try part B. When y is negative 1/6, you plug in negative 1/6 here. I'll give you 3 minutes, you solve for x. I change place first, right? Correct. Can you see I change place first? Yeah? Now, 2/3 x stays here. What will happen? How fast tell me? Negative 1/6, then? This one bring over become what? Plus or minus? Plus. This one bring over become plus? Minus. Minus 1/3. So, x equals, can you keep this? What's the answer? What's the answer this side? Half or negative half? Negative half. So, x will be negative half divided by 2/3. Here, your calculator. What's negative half divided by 2/3? Negative what? 3 out of 4. Is this correct? Negative 3/4. Now, can you see that I'm also revising how to solve equation over here? Can everybody see that? Okay, so do you know how when we give you a function, this is called a function. When I give you x, you must know how to find y. When I give you y, you must know how to find x. Okay, so for question 3, 4, and 8, I'm showing you how to write. Understand? How to present your answers. Are you clear? Okay, so for a function, when you're given x, you must know how to find y. When you're given y, you must know how to find x. Okay? Alright, good. question number 1 of your textbook. Question number 1. I'm going to make this smaller. Then I'm going to clean the board. Then all of you look at question number 1 of your textbook. So read that later or we'll make it wider. I don't want people to do anything. This one is important. If you don't know how to read, that means you don't know anything about graphs later on. Okay? Alright. Is this better? Okay. Now all of you look at question number 1. What did he say? Write down the coordinates of each point shown in the figure. Now let's look at A. What's the coordinates of A? Go class tell me. -4, -3, right? Can you use a pencil and write beside for question number 1 in your textbook? Now, can you give me the coordinates of B? -2, 5. Correct. Now, can you do for C, D, E? What else? Until what? F. Until F. Can you give me the coordinates of the next 4 points? All of you read and write down now in your textbook. Quite fast, right? What is C? Focus, tell me. C? 3, 4. Good. D? 4, 2. Good. E? 1, 1. Very good. F? 3, -3. Are we clear? Are we clear? Write which one first? X first, then Y. Okay? Alright, good. Now, next I want you to look at question 2. Can all of you look at question 2? Now, you go first, I'll let you talk, you don't worry. They say, plot the points, so on and so forth, on the Cartesian plane in question 1. That means you use the grid here, you plot in the points. Put a cross, then you put a P down there. Understand? Okay, I give you 3 minutes. Draw it for me now. Draw it for me now. Put a cross and put the letter there. Put a cross and put the letter there. Don't put a dot, please. You must be as accurate as possible. Alright? Done? Done, Some people are done. Do you agree that this is much easier than algebra? Alright, good. P is 2, 5. So it must be here. P, right? Correct. Now where is Q? 1, 2. So this is my Q. Am I right? What's the next point? R. -2, -1. So this is my R. What about S? 6 -2. This is my S, right? What about T? 3 -2. So T is here. What about U? -1, 2. So U is here. Alright? How many can get all these correct? That means you know how to plot in already. Do you understand? So it is that simple. But of course, it's not so simple. Now, let me just show you what is not so simple. I'm going to show you your graph paper first. Would that be okay? And I'm going to talk about scale. Now, if you look at your graph paper, this is your graph paper. Okay, I'm going to teach you something about your graph paper. Alright? Now, it is good to get a long ruler like this, whereby you have one side transparent. The whole thing transparent also can. Okay? Now, I want you to look here. Everybody look up. Can you see on the graph paper, there are dark lines and lighter lines. You can see it? Now, I want you to take note here. Can you see that? I'm going to go from dark line to dark line. Can you see that from a dark line to another dark line is actually, this is too high. Let me just bring it down. Okay, this thing is obstructing me because I don't understand how I can overcome this. This is too low. Let me have a short ruler instead. Yes, thank you. Now, for a dark line, from one dark line to one dark line, can all of you see that it's 2 cm? I want to tell you this. Can you see that from one dark line to one dark line is actually 2 cm? Understand? So, class, I repeat, when we use graph paper, we try to start from a dark line. Understand? When we know this is 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm, no need to go and measure. Understand? And I want you to realize also, 2 cm is 10 meters squared. Understand? 2 cm is what? 10 meters squared. Okay? Now, there are different scales that I can use. Thank you, Jimmy. What do you mean by that? All of you look up. If I draw like that, this is my y, this is my x, right? Okay? All drawings on the graph paper must be done in pencil. Okay? Now, you will call this 0. Now, if I do this, I'm using x-axis 1 cm to 1 unit. Do you agree how of it is 1 cm? So this is 1 cm 1 unit. Okay? So this side also must be 1 cm 1 unit. Okay? Now, if for y-axis, I also use 1 cm 1 unit, what it will look like is this. Understand? Negative 1, negative 2, so on and so forth. Understand? Okay, now, class, what if I don't want? I want to make it bigger. What if I want to use 2 cm to 1 unit? How would it look like? What is 2 cm to 1 unit? 2 cm is here, right? Then it will be 1, 2. Then you see it becomes bigger. Okay. Then the y-axis also 1, 2. It becomes bigger. Then I want to tell you this. The x and y-axis need not have the same scale. You understand? For example, x-axis can be 2 cm 1 unit. But y-axis can be 1 cm 1 unit. That means it goes like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It follows. Everybody clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? So, you must read carefully what the graph gives you and what the question gives you as the scale for x-axis and y-axis. And let me just reiterate. The x-axis is also called the horizontal axis. Horizontal means like that. So what do you think is this one? Huh? Vertical. Very good. This is the vertical axis. Are we all clear here? Yes or no, class? Yes. Now, then I want to ask one question. What if I have 2 cm to 5 units? What does it mean? For the x. If I have 2 cm to 5 units, this one. This one you want? 5 and then 10. Are we clear? 5, 10, so on and so forth. Everybody okay so far? Yes. Can no problem Okay, good. Now, next thing is I want to teach you how to read the scale. halfway here? 1.3. You cannot tell me 1.39. My eye very accurate. No. You can only read to half the scale. Do you understand? Now all of you look up. I don't want people to talk. Now, if it is very near to here, it will be what? 1.2. What if it's very near to here? 1.4. Middle, 1.3. There's no such thing as 1.36. My eye very accurate. My eye is the vernier caliper. I know it cannot. You understand? Oh, now let me just change the scale again. All of you look up. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So you tell me how much is here? 1.5, right? How much is this one? 1.9. Good. What is halfway? 1.95. So we can only read to half the scale. Do you understand? You cannot say I want to what? Cannot. It's half the scale. This is your graph. Okay? Now, another situation. What is this? Is 5, this is 10. This will be 6, right? This will be what? 7, 8, 9, then 10, right? So what is this? 5.5, right? Do you agree this is 5.5? You can see, okay, now I'm going to enlarge that portion. This is 5.5, right? What about half? 5.25, yes. What about here? 5.75. Understand? In graph, we can only read to half the smaller scale. You cannot say, my eye is accurate. No, your eye is not accurate. Do you understand what I'm talking about? You have to know how to read to half the smaller scale. Everybody clear? Yes or no, class? Yes. And one more thing that I need to warn you. Because last time for the exam, some people very funny, try to be funny or what. Your exam will say draw on the piece of graph paper. Gives you. Everything must be on the graph paper. You cannot say I want to stick 4 graph papers so that I can extend. No, everything must be in that graph paper. Do you understand? Now, I want to show you one thing. Your graph paper is like that. Then there's a margin line. Correct. Now, nobody says your graph must start at the middle. Understand? If your graph has all positive values, okay, you can shift the graph axis to here, like that. That means you start all the positive, don't have negative values. If your graph has all the negative values, let's say, then your axis can also be like that. Then you concentrate on this part. That means it's just like you place your mouse on your screen and you just, you know those Google Maps as well, you can just move around. Do you understand what I'm talking about? It doesn't mean that your die will start in the middle. You understand? Now, if you have more to the right and more to the left, you can also start somewhere here, as long as it can encompass everything. The one last point that you need to know is this. Hello? You can start from the beginning here, the arrowhead Y is here, but the last grid is here, it's okay. But you cannot extend, say I want to add more grids myself, you cannot. Okay, then the x-axis, you can put x, then the last grid is here. It's okay. But you cannot add. Do you understand? Yes or no, class? Okay, so are you clear the graph paper already? So don't say, oh, sure, I need scotch tape in the exam. Why? I need to paste together. Because there was 1 year ago, one boy in Sec 4. We say draw on the graph paper. He very creative now. I must give it to him now. He pasted 4 graph paper. Then when we back by, it's like, 圣旨到, what the kind of thing. You know, the emperor come and whoa, then read the decree to the high royal residence of Sec 1 E, BCOP's class. Okay, please bring your graph paper, the kind of thing. Okay, no, you cannot like that one. Understand? One graph paper means one graph paper, okay? Then, don't choose a scale that is so difficult to read. It's always 2 cm what you need. Don't say 2 cm 3 you need. Wow! That's how you got to estimate. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Okay. Your graph should cover at least half the graph paper. Don't draw such a tiny graph. of graph paper. Okay? What is the number on the content page of your file? Now I write what? Now I write what? Okay, you must tell me, because I write the content page. Now I write what? Now I write nothing. 17. 16. Okay. Can you write down 16? Today's date. Exercise 6A. Coordinates. Okay? Then, on your brown paper, please first of all, write your name. Don't write name and nothing. Don't literally write N-A-M-E. Okay, write your name. Then write exercise 6A. Coordinates. And then your date. Now, I'm going to give you the scale. Keep your mouth shut. Yes, keep your mouth shut. Okay. On your brown paper, I better tell one so that I can use it as sample. Oh no, never mind. You just need the brown. Pretend that this is a nice brown paper. Can you write the scale on top here? Understand? I want you to write the scale pencil on top here. If you don't want, you can write behind also. Understand? Actually, for graph, right? Hello? You mean you already know graph? Whatever you write in pencil behind. Understand? I want to give you the scale. Turn to the back of the graph paper. Okay? I want you to write the scale. Write down scale. And the back of the graph paper, where? Did I say right on the head? Thank you, Salon. You want to write your head. Write 1 cm to 1 unit. And write the y-axis. Also 1 cm to 1 unit. Right at the back of the graph paper. Now I'm going to show you what you must draw. You don't draw first along here. Because first time draw, show chaotic one. Understand? Okay, okay, I want you to see what I'm drawing. 1 cm, 1 unit. And one more thing. Your pencil cannot be 10 years never sharp that kind. Blunt until I cannot read. Okay? Alright, now this is what I want you to do. Everybody look at the graph paper. I don't want people to draw. I say already. I'm going to say again. 不要画, don't draw, okay? Now, this is what I want you to do. All must be done in pencil. Draw first. All listen first. Don't draw. You will draw later. Now, all of you listen. I say don't draw. This one you must put Y. You can see it. This one you must put what? X. You can see it. Okay. Now I'm going to make it smaller so that everybody can see. Can you see? I must put an arrowhead Y, arrowhead X here. Now, what did I say? How many cm to 1 unit? 1. All of you look up. Don't draw. I say it. Put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one draw until 7 on this side. Can see? Later I will. Okay. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. For this part also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The negative is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Can you see what I'm talking about here? 1 cm, 1 unit. Now I'm going to enlarge it here. Later I'm going to off the light so that you can see. That means you're supposed to draw this. Understand? This one is until 7. This one is until 7. This one is until -5. This one is until -5. This one you write y, this one you write x. Then you label. Let me just repeat. There are no arrowheads here, and there are no arrowheads here. Understand? Now draw. Don't look. By looking at it, you cannot do anything. Now, I'm actually doing question 6 of your 6A. Right? Draw the axis first. Don't draw anything else because you must get used to the axis. I say no arrowhead here and here. Okay? I already said a few times, no arrowhead here and here. Okay? Okay. Label 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we waiting for Christmas? Huh? I'm surprised that some people don't have Google. Better watch it. Next lesson I want to have Google. And next lesson is tomorrow, okay? Understand? I'm going to do question 6. Now, after that, I'll give you the time to do it. Do you understand? Okay, can I have all pencils now first? All of you look at the board. Now, for question 6, all of you turn to page 151. All of you turn to page 151. The vertices of a right-angled triangle are A10, B70, and C16. Plot the points A, B, and C on the Cartesian plane below, and hence find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, all of you look up. I don't want people to draw. You only need 1 minute. Listen to me, you know how to do it. Okay? A is what? 1, 0. Do you agree 1, 0 is here? This is my B. Where is 7, 0? Here, right? Right. So this is my B, right? Right. Where is C? 1, 6. 1, 6 over here. This is my C, right? They say draw these 3 points and form a triangle. So this is already drawn. So actually it's like that, and like that. Correct? Okay? I already drawn the triangle. Can you see? You must label A, B, and C. Don't need to write the coordinates, just put it. Now what's the last part of the question? Find what? Area. Okay, good. Now, this one, you can write at the back of your graph paper, ABC, okay? So, area will be now. And I know, is this a right angle? Yes. Because it's vertical, right? Base must be perpendicular to height, right? Primary school, you know, right? Area of triangle. What's the area of triangle? Half times what? Base times height, right? Now, can you tell me what's the length here? How many units? It's from 1 to 7. So how many units? I'm talking to you. Don't look here. Look here. What is the length of AB? 6 units, right? Do you agree this is 6 units? Okay. How about here? 18, you must put unit square. You do not put cm square.